Hey everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. We have the Hustler Spring Sales event going on right now, and all of the Raptor family zero turns are on sale. Best pricing we've had this spring yet. And I want to show you a 60-inch model. This is a great model if you've got some acreage and you want to get it done fast, but you don't want to break the bank. You just want a 60-inch mower. This is an incredible price on this with the extra rebate right now, and it's a very popular seller for us. I'm going to show you the Raptor XD 60-inch. So here it is. So here it is. It has a 24 horsepower Kawasaki engine, the big bike tires, a nice comfortable seat, and it has a very heavy built deck, a solid welded tube frame, a removable foot pan. No stamped decks on this model. Hustler doesn't do that with any of their models. And as you can see, this thing can actually mow 3.6 acres per hour. Now that's based on an 80% efficiency, so it's a very realistic number. So if you're looking for an affordable 60-inch machine, this is it. This is the best buy that we've got on a 60-inch machine on all the brands that we sell. Right now you get the extra $250 off. So the way this price tag reads is you can use a 0% for 48-month financing on this top tier number. The middle tier, you get a little bit of a discount to pay with a credit or debit card. And then the bottom tier, this is cash, cashier's check, or a 0% for 6-month plan that we can honor the cash discount on. Now you take the extra $250 off of any tier you choose here. So you get that extra discount no matter how you pay. And this is just a really great option. Okay, so we're at 1914 North Main Street in DeSoto. And if you buy a mower from us, you can enroll in the Caldwell Advantage service plan, which is by far the cheapest way to get your mower serviced once a year. And if you do the service work once a year, you actually can keep 7 years of coverage on your mower, which is something that our existing customers really rave about. They really like the service. Transportation is included if you're local. We come to you, pick your mower up, we bring it back after we've serviced it. All of that's included in the price tag. And it's caldwelladvantage.com if you want to read the details on that. But if you want to see just like all of our models, look us up at caldwellequipment.com. Call us or text us at 636-586-9607. And we appreciate the opportunity. So come by and see us.